Hello Jet Flyers. Tire change on the BVM, original BVM F100. Well, that's a handful, I can tell you. The tires you can order at BVM. That's quite straightforward. So to take this tire off, I'm gonna remove all the screws here from the rim and take off the brackets. You have set screws here on the side, okay, left and right. However, I couldn't figure out how to get this off because there is inside, hard to see, another set screw. There we go. There's another set screw inside, which we have to remove. You see? Now we're talking. So I have to open this brake line now and get a little bit more length on the brake line so I don't have to remove it. Now you can remove it and get the tire off. So yeah, it's not as straightforward as it looks like. So just to let you know, and I will show you when the tire is off. So got myself a little bit more brake line to pull through. There's a few washers here, and that's the brake assembly with the O-ring. If you think about the designer, how good is design, the whole concept, 25 years old, it's phenomenal. So I've pulled off the brake line from the strut and pulled it through. Now I can take off the tire and get these washers out. I see the door is in the way, so the door needs to come off as well. That's it. There you go. Now we can change the tire.